Rain incoming May 12th, Upper Midwest. Yay! Michigan, Wisconsin, Minnesota, the northern parts of the eastern states, above average precip and warming temps, poise us for a second fruiting of morels. Soil temperatures are at the premium epic point. All of this, extended forecasts, looking great as well, should make for an epic morel season for us.
Epic incoming.
If you are in the states I mentioned, get out there. It's mid-season and we are looking great. Yep, clean up on aisle 7. We're back by the trees I picked 2 days ago. Look how nice. Got this big, beautiful mushroom. This is my apple tree spot. I just got here and looks like there's some big yellows up. I have to look around this tree here and see if I find any more than just this big boy. Just a big boy. A little dry. A little dry, but it'll do me. Pretty. Here's one. He's laying completely down. Wake up, buddy. You are gorgeous. A gorgeous donkey. Just keep looking around. The forecast shows rain in the next few days, on and off. Perfect for fruiting.